Hello everybody, Leanne Ely from SavingDinner.com, and this video today I've decided that I need to dress up a little bit more, so I decided to dress up a little more. I'm drinking my dry farm wines in a nice stemmed glass. I have candles and I have my dress on, so I hope I'm sufficiently dressed for this lovely occasion. Anyway, I wanted to tell you about a little contest we have going. It's actually not a contest. It actually happens for you if you get our Dinner Answers annual subscription. You get a copy of Part-Time Paleo. Because today, I'm going to be telling you how to have French fries and be paleo. This is the truth. And I've made some here to show you and just tell you a little bit about them. First of all, did you know that potatoes are one of the top sources for resistant starch? And resistant starch is a marvelous thing that scientists have known for a long time, but we've kind of glossed over for the last few years until recently. And now we understand that resistant starch is a prebiotic which helps probiotics develop healthy colonies of good beneficial bacteria in your gut. That's fantastic. We all suffer from leaky gut. We need every benefit that we can get. Further, if you eat purple potatoes, which I'm going to tell you about in just a minute, you get the benefit of anthocyanin. And what that is it's a phytonutrient and it's a phytochemical that helps to fight cancers. It's purple. Antioxidants are the things that come to your rescue and help you to stay on top of your antioxidant game. It keeps you well and it keeps you healthy. Okay, so purple potatoes, this is what they look like. And did you know that they have slightly more fiber than regular white potatoes? They have a less of an insulin impact and they have less of a carb load. Especially when, and here's the kicker, here's what I'm going to teach you. You cut them up, put them in a little bit of avocado oil because you need a high smoke point oil. Avocado oil is perfect for this, especially you get a good one that you keep in the refrigerator. Toss it in a little olive oil, a little pink salt, a little fresh cracked pepper, and bingo, that's all you need. That's it. Put it in a 400-degree temperature oven, and when it's nice and tender, they're ready to go. Now my preference is to do them sort of as wedges because then they sit like a boat on the pan and they get cooked on all sides and get nice and brown. That's what you want. Now this is what makes the difference. If you cool them down, you get 3 times the resistant starch than you would in a hot potato. How about that? Hot potatoes are delicious, but cooked and cooled potatoes give you almost as much resistant starch as you would get in a raw potato. So keep that in mind. If this is something that you're looking to do in your life, if you've missed potatoes going paleo, no need to get upset about that anymore. And as a matter of fact, in Part-Time Paleo, I teach you all about how to eat potatoes in such a way that you'll always enjoy them, get the most nutrients out of them, and yes, you can have them in Part-Time Paleo. If you want to get this book, all you need to do is go to SavingDinner.com/product and then Dinner Answers annual subscription, and there's dashes in between each word. Dinner Answers annual subscription. I know I should have gotten a shorter URL, but that's what we have for right now. You get your year subscription, I will send you a copy of Part-Time Paleo, how to go paleo without going crazy, and have your potatoes too. I hope you enjoyed this, and who knows, next week I might have something else on. See you next week. Bye.